They called me the Black Napoleon, but I was never his shadow. I was Toussaint, born in chains, risen by fire. They call this place cold, but it is not the stone that chills me. It is betrayal. It is silence where there should be fire. I was born a slave, but nature gave me the soul of a free man. I led my people out of chains, not with riches, but with the truth that we were born free. I saw fire in their eyes, sons who rose against masters, women who carried freedom like children. Now, I sit in this foreign cell, forgotten by the ones I lifted. Napoleon did not defeat me in battle. He lured me with wine and stole me with a smile. And still, I say to you,